Hello y'all, and in today's video we are unboxing and reviewing an Amtrak Genesis series locomotive P42 DC HO scale Athearn Genesis 161, the Phase 1 heritage unit. By far my favorite heritage unit of all of them Amtrak made, and I really hope you enjoy this unboxing, so sit back, relax, grab some snacks, and enjoy the show. So to start off with this unboxing, we are focusing on the front end of the locomotive. On the bolted nose, we have the HEP cables, ditch lights, marker lights, and the main headlight. We can see the Amtrak logo and the 161 number boards. We have two sand filler hatches on each side of the unit. We have our windshield wipers on the front window pieces, and we have mirrors on each side of the cab windows. Looking at the plow, we have EMU cables, we have some grab irons on each side, we have our air hose and our McHenry coupler that Athearn products usually come equipped with. Quite detailed plow indeed, and I like it if I'm going to be quite honest with you. Starting off with the side of the locomotive, we have the door and the ladder to get up to the locomotive. We have the windows on the side, the American flag, the bloody nose paint scheme, sort of thing I guess you could call it. It says Beech Grove, which is legible text on the bottom, which Beech Grove is Amtrak's main maintenance facility, which is most likely where this unit was painted. So it has a little Beech Grove symbol. On the top here, we have two dynamic brake fans and then three traction motor fans. We have the 50th anniversary logo for Amtrak's 50th anniversary in 2021. Additionally, to go along with the Phase 1 paint scheme, we have the Amtrak Pointless Arrow logo, which is an icon to the company. Starting towards the back here, we have the primary air filter here on the top, with two radiators here on the bottom, and then we have the unit's number 161, and then over here we have the door to the rear of the unit with the ladders, and we have some steps to get up to said door. Starting off with the back here, we have the number boards and the marker lights on each side. We have the main headlight here at the top, and we also have sand filler hatches on each side of the rear. Making our way down to the bottom here of the rear, we have air hoses on each side, our McHenry coupler, and from what you can see, we have the MU cables. Moving to the bottom here, we could see the trucks covering the wheels, nicely detailed as we can see, very nice indeed. Starting out here on the bottom, we have where the fuel tank sits, the sight glass for the fuel, both on each side. We have the fuel cap here. We have the air dryer filter. On the roof of the cab, we have the PTC antenna arrays. Zooming in closer, we have the K5 LA horn. Shifting over a bit, we have the exhaust stack. And finally, the radiator fan, which is etched see-through metal. Here's the operator's manual, which I am not reading because my retention is already bad enough on this channel. So it's sped up by 10x. So if you want to read the operator's manual, you have to go on Athearn's website or slow this down. Now that we're done with the review, we can now test some of the sound features on this locomotive.